the do-nothing strategy that can actually raise your score. Sometimes the smartest move in credit repair is to do nothing. Seriously, not every negative account needs to be disputed. In fact, messing with certain accounts at the wrong time can actually make things worse. Here's where this strategy comes in. Let's say you have a charge-off or a collection that's been sitting on your report for a few years. It's not updating monthly. It's not affecting your score much anymore. If you wake it up by disputing it or trying to pay it, you might trigger new activity, making it look recent again. That resets the damage and hurts your score. Or maybe it's an old debt that's close to aging off. Most negative items drop after 7 years. If you're 6.5 years in, it might be smarter to let it disappear on its own rather than stir the pot and risk it being re-reported with a new date. Even some paid collections aren't worth touching if they're not hurting your score anymore. If they're not updating and your score is moving up, why bring attention to it? The do-nothing strategy works best when a debt is past the statute of limitations, close to aging off your credit report, not updating monthly, not affecting your utilization or payment history. Of course, knowing when to do nothing versus when to strike takes strategy. That's what Tier 3 is for. But this post is a reminder that silence is sometimes the most powerful play.